This is a BMW Z4M, and this thing absolutely slams. Thanks for starting to watch this video. This is a Z4M, as I just said, about 2008 year. Don't see many of these because this is the non-convertible option, the more prestigious, extremely rare. I think there's only 900 of these made worldwide. This has had an audio system fully replaced from ourselves. Came in with a very basic system. This thing didn't even have 4-inch mids in the front doors, literally just blanks. Okay, so we completely started again. Now, haven't got a lot of footage behind the scenes, so we're just going to kind of show you around where things would be. So starting going on the inside. Now, we start with doing the doors. As always, we fully soundproof the doors. We've taken loads of pictures of this, which you'll see on our other social media channels, but we've fully soundproofed the doors, and we fit the BMW bespoke mids and tweeters in the factory position, so again, you can't see anything. These BMs don't have woofers under the seats, so what we've done is, in the original position, in the kick wells, down here, we've actually put a 6.5-inch mid-bass driver, and we run these for the bass. There's also speakers behind the front seats as well at the top, which are more for, like, I don't know, tune-up speakers, a bit of rear feel. We've also upgraded them as well for the Audison bespoke BMW speakers, so they've upgraded. And then in the front, all of this runs off, well, the source unit is a Sony. Now this is a GS80 single DIN. May not be much to look at, but this is one of the high-spec audio-only units. Now, if you were running that without an amplifier, believe it or not, you get 100 watts times 4 peak, granted, per speaker channel. Extremely impressive, but we're using the pre-outs. Reason why we've gone for that head unit, 5-volt pre-outs. And the reason why we need 5-volt pre-outs, you may ask? I'm going to try and show you, because we put an amplifier in this. Now the amplifier in question is the JL Audio XD606 amplifier. Now I would show you this, but it's hidden. As like our installs, we try and hide them all. It's behind here. We've actually removed a factory bracket which wasn't actually doing a lot, which is that, and we put the amp behind there. Fully reversible if we need to put that back. Same with the head unit. Customer gets to retain his lovely factory business CD player, which can also go back in. Now, reason why we've gone for this amp, if you want to know, is quite important. So it's a 6-channel, so what that means, we've got 2 channels to run the front door speakers, 2 channels to run the rear speakers, and more importantly, 2 channels to run the woofers in the kick wells. That means we have independent control over the bass. The customer can literally adjust the bass of those independently from the head unit on the fly. What more can you need when you're driving? These are all the boxes, so we're fully reversible, as you can see, but most of the speakers, in fact all the speakers, are completely hidden. What else is there? I mean, that's about it. What else can I say about this Z4 system? It's completely hidden other than the source head unit, which we wanted to change because we wanted the best signal possible. And yeah, great platform. Sounds absolutely incredible as the customer's about to hear. It's a bit of a rush video because he's already in the shop, but I'm going to try and get his opinion actually later in the comment section, which I'm hoping you're going to join the comment section. But for now, that's Connor from John Cleese signing you off. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you later.